Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Detecting whether Python code is being executed through a debugger can be helpful in various situations, such as debugging or adding conditional behavior in your code for debugging purposes. Python doesn't provide a built-in method to directly detect if your code is running under a debugger, but there are several workarounds you can use to achieve this. In this tutorial, we will explore a few methods to detect if Python code is running in a debugger. We'll use code examples for each method. You can inspect the sys module to check if a debugger is active. Some debuggers set environment variables or modify sys attributes that you can look for. Here's an example using the sys module. In this example, the is_debugging function checks if sys.gettrace returns a trace function, indicating that a debugger is active. Some debuggers, like the Python PDB debugger, set environment variables that you can check. This method checks if the pdavd_use_Python environment variable is set, which is commonly set by debuggers like pycharm's debugger. You can also use the traceback module to inspect the call stack for traces of debugging. This method checks if any frame in the call stack has a file name containing pydavd, which is commonly associated with the pydev debugger. You can define your custom debugging flags or variables and set them when you start debugging. In this method, you manually set the debugging variable to true when you want to indicate that debugging is active. These methods should help you detect whether your Python code is running in a debugger. Choose the method that best suits your specific debugging environment and needs. Remember that these methods are not foolproof and may not work with all debuggers, so use them judiciously. ChatGPT.